I am going to teach you the letter Z. So first we will learn the capital letter Z. So first we must go sleeping line, a standing line and sleeping line. This is capital letter Z. I am going to show it one more time. A sleeping line, a standing line and a sleeping line. This is capital letter Z. So I am going to show it one more time. This is capital letter Z. Okay, so we learned capital letter Z. Now we are going to learn small letter Z. Maybe you know that capital letter Z and small letter Z are same, but capital letter Z is very big and this is small. I am going to show it one more time. Small Z. Small Z. Okay, so now we are going to write the two letters together. Can you see the board? Okay. Z for zebra. You can see zebra in the zoo. Z for fib. Okay. So the sound of Z is Z, Z, Z. Do you know the sound of B? Z. Okay. Now I am going to show you the sign of Z. Just be a slanting line, okay? Can you see it? So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and let's see you next video. So bye.